Talk to a lender. Whether you're looking to buy right away or not for a year, talking to a lender is the first step you should take. Some people start searching for a home before they even know what they can afford. This is just setting you up for disappointment. Unless you're paying cash, a mortgage lender is one of the most important partners you have when purchasing a home. They literally provide the funds to purchase. The sooner you speak to a lender, the better they can help set you up for success. A lender can advise you about building up your credit score, reducing your debt, or increasing your down payment. All these things give you more buying power, meaning you can purchase a higher value home for the same monthly payment. The lender you choose matters, especially in a very competitive market. I have partner lenders I can suggest, but here are some quick tips for choosing a great lender. Number 1, stay away from the big banks like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, unless you have a personal relationship with their mortgage officer. Number 2, a lender located in Arizona. And 3, ask for a breakdown of all fees up front. I've seen lenders work miracles, and I've seen lenders that have caused deals to fall apart. Let's make sure your lender is setting you up to win.